Start with 3 chicken thighs, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of adobo spice, and pour over the chicken. Stir by hand until evenly coated and let rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pour a tablespoon or so of olive oil into your Instant Pot and wait for it to get good and hot. Not yet. Now. Once the oil just starts to smoke, add your chicken. Give the pot a spin to spread the oil around and prevent burning and sticking. Allow the chicken to sit for 3 minutes and be patient. Don't touch it, don't mess with it. You'll mess up the sear. After 3 minutes, check the chicken for a golden brown color and remove from the pot for 1 minute. This allows the Instant Pot to get hot again so you can get a nice sear on the other side of the chicken. Swirl the oil around the pot once again to prevent any burning and add the chicken back to the pot and wait for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check the chicken for color and add half a jar's worth of your favorite low-carb Tomatillo Salsa. Use a rubber or wooden spoon to scrape the fond from the bottom of the pan, put on the lid, and set for 12 minutes. When the 12 minutes is up, manually release the pressure and place a rag on top of the valve to keep steam from spreading everywhere and to keep the noise down. You can also use this moment to start cutting up your avocado. Remove the chicken from the Instant Pot and add the avocado. I'm using an immersion blender to puree the salsa, but you can use a regular blender or even a food processor if you don't have one. Once that's done, add the other half of the salsa and give it a stir, and then chop up your chicken however you like. You can construct your tacos however you like. The trick here is really the salsa and the chicken. I like to use queso fresco, cilantro, and spinach instead of iceberg lettuce, and do a chiffonade cut with the spinach, which is basically just rolling it into a ball and thinly slicing it. Now, because this is a keto recipe, we can't use regular tortillas, so I'm using Mission carb balanced tortillas, which are only 3 grams of net carbs that I fried in some bacon grease left over from breakfast. You can construct them however you like. The taco gods are merciful. Just be sure to add 1.5 tablespoons of salsa to stay within the keto recommended diet. And there we go. Who says keto's hard? If you have any questions about this recipe, go ahead and ask a question in the comments and I will reply. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Those 2 simple clicks will go a long way in helping me grow my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm the Instant Pot Pro.